Guys, enjoy the sights and sounds of Westlands in Nairobi. Look at this, the construction's going on everywhere. Tall apartment buildings coming up like mushrooms, guys. And then there's a freeway over there. And this freeway will take you to the airport. It's beautiful here, guys. In Westlands. Enjoy the sights and sounds of Westlands in Nairobi, Kenya. So this is a toll booth, guys. So if you want to use this freeway here, they call it the Nairobi Expressway. You have to get into, once you get into this toll booth, you pay for it, and then you use it. If you do not want to use the freeway, there's an underpass. And I'm going to show you guys over there. Yep, you can use an underpass. Beautiful.